If you want to know someone's name to start a conversation and you want to ask what's your name in Cantonese, don't. To show respect to the others, the Cantonese usually call the other person with his surname and title instead of his first name or full name. So we do not ask people what's your name. Unless this person introduces himself to you with his full name, you should only call him with his surname and title. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to ask people for his name in Cantonese and a few common Cantonese titles. Hey guys, here is Yuki Webster in Cantonese Daily Conversation, 5 minutes every day. 廣東話日常用語，每日5分鐘。From wsparkschuler.com. If it's your first time watching my video, I would like to quickly introduce myself. I'm originally from Hong Kong, and now I'm living in Germany. I started this channel was to share my knowledge of my mother tongue Cantonese. For those who are learning Cantonese, you'll find many useful daily conversation and expressions in my videos. The detailed list includes the meanings and the use of the words are updated on my website. Let's start our tutorial today. In Cantonese, if you don't know his or her surname and you would like to start a conversation with this person, you will say 先生. 先生 means Mr. or Sir. 小姐. 小姐 means Miss or Madam. 太太. 太太 means Mrs. These titles are rather formal, but they are suitable for all men and women. In Cantonese, we asked how to call you instead of what's your name. It's because we are going to call you with your surname and title instead of calling you with your full name. Then, who would call your full name? It is usually called by your family members, your friends, your school teachers, or your school classmates. In social communication, we tend to call each other with surnames and titles. To find out how to call a person in Cantonese, we say 你點稱呼?你點稱呼? or 點樣稱呼你? 點樣稱呼你? How to call you? And you expect an answer with his surname and title. 點樣 means how to. 稱呼means to call or to address. People should answer with his surname and title. For example, 叫我陳生. 叫我陳生. Call me Mr. Chen. 我係李太. 我係李太. I'm Mrs. Lee. 叫我李小姐. 叫我李小姐. Call me Miss Lee. You can see number 1, 陳生. Sang is from 先生. So some people may say 陳先生. But it's more common to use it in written form. And number 2, 李太. Tai is from 太太. People may say 李太太. but it's more common to use it in written form. So in spoken form, we say 陳生、李太. In Cantonese, we usually mention the name of the person first, then say good morning. 方生早晨. 方生早晨. Mr. Fong, good morning. 方太早晨. 方太早晨. Mrs. Fong, good morning. When you see Mr. and Mrs. Fong together, you can say 方生方太早晨. 方生方太早晨. Mr. Fong, Mrs. Fong, good morning. You say hello with first name only when you call each other with first name all the time. He could be your neighbors, your friends, or your colleagues. For example, Sarah 早晨. Sarah 早晨. Sarah, good morning. Or 早晨啊 Sarah. 早晨啊 Sarah. Good morning, Sarah. Doesn't have any meaning, but it is common to include it. In Cantonese, we use relative titles even though they are not our family. We choose the title by the age and the gender of the person. Here are some common ones. 伯伯, 伯伯. In the family, we call the older brother or father as 伯伯. If you want to say hello to an old man and he looks like he's over 70 years old, you can also call him 伯伯. If you know his surname, for example Wong, you can call him 王伯. 王伯 as Uncle Wong. 婆婆, 婆婆. In the family, we call our grandmother 婆婆. If you want to say hello to an old lady and she looks like she's over 70 years old, you can call her 婆婆. If you know her surname, for example Wong, you can call her 王婆婆. 王婆婆 as Grandma Wong. A few surnames in Cantonese change tone when we use them with different titles. Wong is one of them. Let's read through them. 王伯, 王婆婆, 王生, 王小姐. You can see when we call Uncle Wong, the tone changed. Let's do a recap. 先生, 小姐, 太太. 你點稱呼? 點樣稱呼你? 點樣稱呼? 叫我陳生. 我係李太. 叫我李小姐. 方生早晨. 方太早晨. 方生方太早晨. 伯伯, 王伯, 婆婆, 王婆婆. That's the end of the tutorial. I hope you enjoy watching and learning. If you would like to watch more videos like this, make sure you give a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. You can find the details of this tutorial on my website. The link is down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.